Hi, hello guys, welcome to our channel Honey Pinky Education. వీడియో స్టార్ట్ చేసే ముందు ప్లీజ్ డూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్. అలాగే నేను పెట్టే ప్రతి వీడియో నోటిఫికేషన్ మీకు రావాలి అంటే పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని కూడా క్లిక్ చేసుకోండి. బై ద వే డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ టు లైక్ అండ్ షేర్. ఈరోజు అయితే వర్క్, పవర్ అండ్ ఎనర్జీ దీని గురించి అయితే డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ అయితే కనుక వర్క్ డెఫినేషన్ వచ్చేసి ద ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఫోర్స్ అండ్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ వర్క్. అంటే W ఈక్వల్స్ టు F ఇంటూ S అనమాట. ఆర్ ద డాట్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఫోర్స్ అండ్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ వర్క్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద అనదర్ డెఫినేషన్ ఆఫ్ వర్క్. The another definition of work is said to be done by force when a body is displacement. ఇది కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు. Work is explained in three types, that is positive work, negative work and zero work. First of all, positive work. If the force and displacement are in same direction, then the work done is positive work. For example, when a body is moving downwards, that means body is moving downwards due to the gravitational force and the distance covering also downwards, so it is positive work. This is the positive work. We completed positive work. Next, the negative work. Negative work means if the force and displacement are in opposite direction, then work done is negative work. For example, when a body is moving upwards, that means body is moving upwards, but the force acting on a body is downwards, so that is negative work. Next, zero work. If the force and displacement are in perpendicular direction, then work done is zero work. When a man walks on a road with a suitcase, the body is suitcase. The force acting on a body means suitcase is downwards and the suitcase is moving horizontal, so they are in perpendicular to each other. This is zero work. The units of work are in CGS system X, SI unit joules or nm means Newton meter, and DF means dimensional formula ml square T inverse 2. It is a scalar quantity. 1 joule equals to 10 power 7 ergs. Definition of joule is when a force of 1 Newton moves a body through a distance of 1 meter, then work done is 1 joule. This is the definition of joule. Next, the topic is power. Power is defined as the rate of work done is power, or the work done in 1 second is called power. Power equals to work by time. P equals to W by T, or we can also write F into S instead of W. It means S by T. It's equals to velocity, displacement by time. So we derived another formula for power. P equals to F into V. The units of power is in CGS system erg per second, SI unit, joules per second or watts. Dimensional formula for power equals to ml square T inverse 3. It is a scalar quantity. That means power is a scalar quantity. Practical unit of power is horsepower. 1 HP equals to 746 watts. By the way, 1 kilowatt hour equals to 3.6 into 10 power 6 or 36 into 10 power 5 watts. I hope this video is very useful to you guys. A small request from my side is please do subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. By the way, don't forget to like and share to our channel Honey Pinky Education.